This is the third and final part to the tutorial of the crazy 3x3x3 Saturn. And I've completed everything up until the placement and rotations of these corner pieces. Okay, now this one, I left it like this, but I actually had to move these over to solve these edge pieces. But doing so, you see that these will get messed up again. So before I do that, I want to make sure that all are the same color. All the corner pieces are all the same color up here, even if it's another color other than green. Except right now I'm going to try to do all green just because that'll help salt faster. So first I want to put them in their appropriate spots. So this one is green, orange, and white, like this one shows, green, orange, and white. So all I have to do here is to rotate this. This one will turn clockwise, and so this one or that one will turn counterclockwise. So I'm going to use yellow as the top, orange as the right, and white as the bottom, making sure that all of them are fixed. And I'm going to start with this one going counterclockwise. So it's going to be D, R, D inverted, R inverted, one more time, and then U inverted just enough so that the piece I originally wanted to rotate is now where the other one was. Now it's R, D, R inverted, D inverted, one more time. And put this one back as it was, and that piece is good. Now I have to put this one over here. This piece goes over here, and this piece comes over here. So first I'll put this one here. So using the same algorithm you use for 3x3x3, that piece is where it should be, and I had to rotate this now. This one goes counterclockwise, so I'll use red as top, white as the right, and orange as the bottom. This one goes counterclockwise, this one goes clockwise. So D, R, D inverted, R inverted, 2 times. Now move this one over, any of them, and the exact opposite. R, D, R inverted, D inverted, and 2 times. Put this one back as it was, and that piece is also solved. Now I want to put this piece over here. So to do that, I'm just going to temporarily move this down here, making sure that I memorize exactly where this one went, so I can put it back after I'm finished the algorithm. And I'm going to start here. I'm going to move this one here, that one there, and this piece over here where it should go. So L inverted, U, R, U inverted, L, U, R inverted, and U inverted. Now put this one back, and this one has to be rotated. This one goes clockwise, so this one will go counterclockwise. Red is top, yellow is right, and orange is bottom. D, R, D inverted, R inverted, 2 times. U inverted, R, D, R inverted, D inverted, 2 times. Put this one back, and now I just need this one left. So I'm going to move this over here. From here, same as before. This one goes here, that one goes there, and this green piece comes over here. Same algorithm. And in this case, I ended up not having to rotate this. Put this one back up, and now everything is the same color, so it's free to move around any way you want. So now I have it here, and looking at this, I had to put this one over here, while that one goes there, and that one goes there. Now if I use the same algorithm I used before to rotate the corners from this position, it's not going to work, because this one moves separately from the center. So what I want to do is to move all 4 of these corners together onto a different side, a side that is not the blue or green. Now from here I can do the move. From here I'm going to move this here, that one there, this one back here. So that, and put this one back. Now all that's left to do is to rotate these clockwise and counterclockwise. So I'm going to use white as top, orange as right, and yellow as the bottom. Now, first move one of them over here. This one will turn clockwise, counterclockwise. So R, D, R inverted, D inverted 2 times. Now U inverted to move that one over. And D, R, D inverted, R inverted 2 times. Move back as it was. That's how you solve the crazy 3x3x3 Saturn. Thank you for watching.